Good morning, I'm Elaine. Welcome to our quarantine kitchen. This morning I'm going to show you how to make Veda. For the ingredients, I have 1.5 cups of pea dal that has been soaked overnight. There's dhania that has been washed and chopped finely. 1 onion chopped finely. We have red chili with 2 cloves of garlic. Then there's some green chili that has been chopped up. Some fine salt to taste and a teaspoon of jeera seeds that has been toasted. Okay, so I've got my tried and tested food processor that has been with me for the last 20 years, and it still works perfectly fine. So we're going to add the soaked dal. And the chili and garlic. And I'm going to give this a blitz and we're going to come back and show you how it looks. Okay, so after I've ground the mixture, it looks a bit grainy, like that. Everything's come together. If it's too dry, you can add about just less than a half cup of water. We don't want the mixture too wet. Okay, so now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. That's the onion, dhania, chopped chili, jeera seeds, and salt. You can test the salt after everything has come together. Okay, so to test the oil, I've put in a small piece of dough. I see it's bubbling nicely, so that means the oil is ready. To shape the Veda, we're going to take a tablespoon of mixture into your palm, flatten it evenly, drop it in the oil. Another one. There are some Vedas that have a hole in the center, so let me try that one. Okay, so we're going to continue with that and we're going to come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. So there you have it, piping hot Vedas with a cup of tea in less than half an hour. So enjoy, try and make it, let us know how it goes. See you next time. Bye.